Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Muhammad Azif of class 10. Today we are talking about the different kinds of industries. Agro-based industries, mineral industries, marine industries and the forest industries.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Myself Muhammad Zakwan of class 9.
Good morning to everyone. Myself Muhammad Azif of class 9.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Furqan of class.
Called agro-based industries. Industries that use agriculture products like crops, livestock and forest produce to manufacture the finished and semi-finished products. One of the main prominent example is textile industry. They convert jute, cotton and wool into fabrics and cloth millions of worldwide. India's sugar industry converts sugarcane into sugar, ethanol and byproducts like molasses supporting both food security and renewable energy. Food processing unit turns fruits, vegetables and grains into packaged goods. This one. Food processing units turn fruits, vegetables and grains into storage or packaged goods, reducing post-harvest losses and ensuring year-last availability. Dairy communities like Amul Industries collect dairy cooperatives like Amul Industry collect milk from small farmers and convert it into cheese, butter and milk and distribute it all over the country like India and other countries, empowering rural communities. However, these industries or sectors faces some challenges like infrastructure and transport facilities, and it leads to spoilage. At last, I conclude that agro-based industries is crucial for linking agriculture to I conclude that agro-based industries is crucial to linking the agriculture to broader economy. They can even become stronger engines of
Forest industries. Forest industries are the industries that use forest raw materials like wood, bamboos, medical plants, and shelter for the productions of goods. Forest industries are mainly divided into two different timber forest industries and non-timber forest products. As we can see in the timber forest product industries, it's only use the raw materials such as wood for the preparation of newspapers, papers and the furnitures. But as we see in the non-timber products, they use the raw materials as rubber trees, bamboos and the medical plants for the preparation of rubbers, baskets and the medicines which are present in the medicals. At the last, I conclude that by saying that forest industries are made for our economical At the last, I conclude that forest industries products should also be recycled because cutting down of trees can harm our
ecosystem.
And we can reduce and by recycling we can reduce the cutting down of trees.
Mineral-based industries that use metals and minerals as raw materials are called mineral-based industries. The minerals essential for iron and steel industries that are located in India. Therefore, steel, iron and steel plates are also
Distributed.
Marine industry is a vital sector that plays a significant role in the world economy. It encompasses in various activities such as tourism, shipbuilding, and extraction of oil and gas. Shipping is the backbone of marine industry. With 90% of the world trade is done by the sea, and it can be done by different kinds of can be done different kinds of works like containers, cruise ships and including cruise ships, tankers and bulk carriers. Shipbuilding. Shipbuilding is dominated in such countries like Japan, China, and China, etc. These are contains mainly big factories like Hyundai heavy factories, Samsung heavy factories, and Mitsubishi heavy factories. Fishing is also done in many countries like USA, Indonesia, but they faces several challenges like pollution, overfishing, and climate change. Tourism. Every year, many tourists move to other countries to see at beaches, to see the view of the nature. But they also face many challenges. So the government is providing needs to the low communities, oil and gas extraction. These are done in mainly Saudi Arab, USA, and Canada. A number of millions of liters of oil is produced from them, and they also face several challenges like pollution and climate change. So lastly, I conclude that the marine industry is the best industry because it helps to trade over 90% of the world trade. Thank you.